have some members at Burn that, some have pre-existing conditions, some recently get hurt. What does having access to this do for them?
I'll go first, Nora. What it really does is it provides accessibility to high quality information. So right now, they would give them the ability to talk with an allied healthcare professional, a musculoskeletal expert who really understands how athletes need just information as to what to do next. So without us, everyone has to figure out where to go. They use Dr. Google, they go to WebMD, and then unfortunately within 10 minutes, they think they have a serious condition and they might die in 2 weeks. So what we're doing is we're giving athletes the ability to say, what do I do? What do I do now? What do I do in the morning? And what's the best route of treatment? And our whole service ranges from this is what you can do in your house, or we're able to give them the expedited referral network to get them into specialists within their community. And sometimes we can get them access within the first 48 hours. So instead of going through the whole healthcare chain of urgent cares, emergency rooms, seeing PCPs, and just getting pushed down to the next person, we're able to get them into the appropriate specialist as quickly as possible. Nora, anything else you want to add?
Yeah, I'll add to that. I do think, and I just know from experience, that sometimes our conventional healthcare system and insurance especially puts a lot of rules and timetables on what the athlete can do and how they can get service. So like, for example, if somebody with arthritis or bone on bone, or they are really close to needing some sort of surgery, they will be allowed physical therapy, which they can find helpful, but there are strict rules. And if you don't get better, then you'll have to go the surgery route. So also having access to a healthcare professional is that we advocate for you at all costs. We don't have the strict guidelines in WaveOn. We are there to support you, whether you want to go through more healthcare routes, or if you want to manage it on your own. We have state-of-the-art tools, techniques, resources, technology that is out there to get you to where you want to be. So we advocate for you at all aspects of your goals.
Yeah.
John, anything else?
Yeah, just to go off of what you said, Nora, being an advocate, we provide clarity to the consumer, the athlete. They have all these questions, they don't know where to go. We help navigate that, and it's being able to reach out and physically touch, whether it's through text, whether it's a phone call. That sense of safety and security is what this service brings. It brings a navigator to their journey for what they're dealing with.
I think I really appreciate that, because I think when they come to me with an injury, that's out of my scope of practice. And so instead of me saying, hey, go to your GP, I think using this service, they can get answers right away and understand that there is an alternative versus surgery, or just shortening the recovery time by half is what they're looking at, right? And correct me if I'm wrong, but you have that network and the ability to get them the results that they want at a quicker rate.
Yeah, we have three things. We have the expertise, we have the resources, and then we have the network. So there is just the information that we can provide an athlete as to what they can do in the moment within the next couple of days to shorten that recovery time. Then we have the resources available that are tools and services that they can do and use at their disposal. And then lastly, if and when it is needed, we bring this entire network of specialists around the concept of sports medicine to really decrease that recovery time as well. So it's a very comprehensive service that we're bringing to the market, which is really exciting. And
Marcus, the best thing about it is all they need is their phone and a little bit of oomph to want to help themselves before anybody else can help them. So
yeah, exactly.
I think that's the biggest thing is being proactive, taking control of their own health. Yeah. Appreciate it, guys.